How to fix Instagram follow back problem. So if you want to fix your Instagram follow back problem, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you need to open up your Instagram, and after opening, now you need to just go with a profile, and as you can see that you will have a follow back option right here. So if you tap on the follow back, it will say requested, which means the follow back has been sent. But if you are not being able to send the follow back, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go back, open up your Play Store, make sure that you have the internet connection, and go with the search under your Play Store and search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates, you just need simply go and update your Instagram, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. Once you're done with the update, now you need to tap and hold on to your Instagram application and go with the app info. Under your app info, you can go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, if your problem still doesn't fix, then you can also go with clear storage, which will remove your login information. So after tapping on clear storage, you need to again log into your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you need to restart your device. After restarting, you can check your Instagram and it will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.